Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare milk cake using milk powder. Ingredients for milk cake: 2 cups of milk powder, 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of ghee and 1 lemon. This is 1 tablespoon ghee. We will take one more tablespoon. We are going to add the milk powder in the mixing bowl, and we are going to add 1 cup of water with this one. These are the exact measurements for this one. So we mixed with cup of water the milk powder without lumps. Keep the pan in flame. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee with this one. Wait till the ghee get melted. Ghee got melted. We're going to add the milk with the ghee. So we have to mix it continuously. So we're going to squeeze the lemon. So to break the milk, you have to squeeze the lemon so that it will break. See, the milk got breaked now. So we're going to add the sugar with this one. You have to stir continuously. If you can stir continuously, you can increase the flame. Otherwise, you can keep in sim flame. So now the consistency become little bit thicker. We are going to add the 1 more tablespoon of ghee with this one now. We add 1 tablespoon as well. So we are reaching the final consistency. Still it will take little more time. The children will definitely like this, but it will not take much time. We are using the milk powder. If you are using milk, it will take more time. So we use the milk powder, and we have not added that much water. For 2 cups of milk powder, we have added only 1 cup of water. It's on the final stage. So we're going to transfer this one to the greased bowl. It's too hot. So let it settle for 3 hours. So we have to wait till that time. Then I will show you the final one, how it looks. We're going to open. You will see. So we have to just keep in same flame, because we have greased with ghee. It will get melted, then it is very easy to come out. So we are demolded after 3 hours. You can cut in any shape. So we are cutting in a triangle. Milk cake from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.